On the occasion of Ganesh Chaturdathi, Navratri celebrations are going on in Hyderabad with a grandeur. Ganesh statue have been installed in Vasavi Brindavanam gated community Naragadda. In the city, pujas were performed to Ganesh with the devotion. The mandap of the statue is impressively decorated on the occasion of the festival. Alms giving, undrala, paisam, lemon rice and prasadas were distributed to the devotees. On this occasion, the program was conducted by the students of Nora's Music Dance Academy. Students sang Annamacharya, Ramdas Kirtans and bhajan songs in the program. Let's take a look.